Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Canva for creating graphics for your blog. Canva is an online graphic design tool that allows you to create professional looking graphics quickly and easy without needing to be an expert in graphic design. In this video, we will show you how to use Canva to create eye-catching graphics for your blog. So let's get started. The first step is to sign into your Canva account. If you haven't signed up yet, I suggest you do it. I will also leave the link in the description on how to sign up for Canva, so make sure to check that out. Now for a blog graphic, you can select from a range of pre-designed templates or you can create your own custom graphic. To create a new custom graphic, you need to click on Create a Design and from here select the graphic for your blog. As we are looking for the template right now, and Canva has a very vast library for the templates for your blog graphic. So let's search for the blog graphic here. Here, just select this one. And now while scrolling down, you can see there are tons of free graphic templates that you can use for your blog. For example, let's choose this one. You can choose this option to customize this template. Just click on it. If we go back to this tab, you can see there are tons of more free templates that you can choose from. The process is very simple and is similar to this one that I'm doing right now. Now it's time to add your own content. You can change this heading, also this text from here. You just need to simply double click on it. And from here, you can write your own text. You can also change the font. Just simply click on it and choose a font from this library. Now let's add the pictures for your blog graphic. You can upload your own photos or choose from the Canva vast library of stock images. For example, I can upload it from here, or I can use the images from the elements and here select the photos. Now I'm going to search for the photos. Now once you have added the images, let's now readjust them just by double click on the picture that you want to readjust. I will place it just right here and do the same with the others. And there you go. Once your blog is complete, now it's time to download and share it. Now to download this image, just click on File and click on Download. Now select the format that works best for you. As this is just a picture, let's download it in PNG form and click on Download. Now you can upload your graphic to your blog or any social media site. And that's it. In just few of these steps, you have learned how to use Canva for blog graphics. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.